Hey, welcome back to yet another episode of the Corporate Gift Show, where we bring to you an innovative, interesting corporate gifting idea every single day. I'm Shubhra Acharya, COO at OffiNeeds.com, and today I have here with me a very interesting product called the Slims Growing Candle. Let's see what this product really is. So this is the Slims Growing Candle. What it is it's a candle on the inside and it has a beautiful MDF covering on the outside, which makes it look really pretty. This can be fully engraved, and once the candle has been used, you can just remove these bits. This is the candle, and once the candle is used, the product needs to be washed in warm water once, and then we have a potting mixture that's been given. We put this potting mixture inside this pot, and then we also have different varieties of seeds that have been given. This one's a marigold. We also have basil, we have tomatoes. So put this in, keep it wet, and in about 3 to 4 weeks, you'll see the plant germinating. So it's an absolute zero waste product really. Considering we're looking at going completely green and everybody is very passionate about the planet these days and they want to leave zero waste on earth, this would be an amazing product because you're not really wasting anything from this. Once you use the candle, you can eventually use that pot forever and ever in order to grow different plants, different herbs or whatever that is that you want. And it's a really unique gift if you ask me, and quite an exciting one. It comes even with a usage instructions manual, and the fact that it can be customized so well with engraving could make it really an amazing product to keep on anyone's desk. So if you're looking at a simple yet innovative gifting solution this season, then you don't need to look any further than the Slims Growing Candle. What do you think about this corporate gifting idea? Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do like, share and comment below and let us know what you think about it. Do visit us on www.thecorporategiftshow.com and follow OffiNeeds on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube for a new corporate gifting idea every single day. See you in the next episode.